mission we've chosen is what sets us aside. It's a mission that's been ours for 120 years.
Gillette is absolutely the best place on earth that you can bring your child.
It's taking the most vulnerable population and saying, guess what? We are here. We are designed just for you.
All you have to do is walk through any of the Gillette sites to see just how hard our patients work with their providers. It's this remarkable power that comes through. They're all little heroes. Our providers, in my mind, are just beyond awesome. When you walk through our Skyway and you see a doctor crawling on their knees so that they can race with the child, so that they can hit their next milestone, you don't see that everywhere.
When I try to describe Gillette to people from around the country, Gillette is a very small, subspecialty, very highly specialized place. It's really for very intricate and medically complex conditions.
Gillette Children's Specialty Healthcare is a specialty hospital mainly focused on children and young adults who have childhood conditions around their musculoskeletal and neurological systems. To serve at Gillette in the mission and the focus that we have, what comes through is we're different. In our mission, cure really does not stand out as it does in other hospital systems.
All of the specialists have one thing in common despite the many different areas that we practice in, and that goal is to help children with disabilities be as healthy and participate as much in life as possible.
Some of the children are formed differently, or they have something significant happen in their childhood that changes life permanently and can alter the way they live in the community, live in their families, and go about everyday life. So it's the whole spectrum of that work that is our focus.
Children and adolescents, young adults are not labeled by their condition, by their diagnosis, their disease. They're human beings. They have great value, and we label them by their personality, who they are as a person, as a human being, and we optimize that as best as possible.
Gillette matters because overall the population we're talking about is often marginalized.
To provide every aspect of the care that the child needs under one roof, with such specialty care, it's very unusual. I think why Gillette really matters to these families is that they just get that sense of relief. I'm finally found where I need to be for my child, my son, my daughter.
We speak their language. Often I get that families come to meet with us and it's an aha of, these people understand me. We've been trying for so long to describe this in words and phrases to other providers.
We're sitting in the gait lab today. Is there another clinical gait lab here in the Twin Cities? No, there isn't. Why? It's expensive. Why doesn't somebody else just say, yeah, we're going to do it? Well, it's because they don't really have a need for that type of technology. But our providers have a big need for that type of information so that they can make the best decisions for our patients.
When I walk the halls of Gillette and I see the trust that these children and young adults have in us and their families have in us, it's an honor. I don't think there's a day that goes by at Gillette that we don't recognize the importance Children's Miracle Network has on what we do and our fulfilling our mission. Being a smaller system, a specialty hospital, we really rely on the generosity of the community.
An initiative like Children's Miracle Network allows everyday folks to reach out and offer the help they're able to offer.
We feel the financial support of the Children's Miracle Network every day.
When people have encountered us through the Children's Miracle Network, there's a greater likelihood of volunteering, of stepping forward in a way that goes beyond giving money, which is fine, but also giving of self.
A simple thank you hardly sums it up, but it's the most honest way to put it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for valuing a population of individuals that we are so passionate about.